Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Z-Grill's wood pellet. This is one of the best grills on the market in general, and adding a smoker to it just makes it all the better. The hopper has a fine capacity, holding up to 20 pounds of pellets at a time, giving you maybe 20 hours of smoking time, depending on how hot you're running it. It is an all-in-one versatile grill, being capable of cooking pretty much anything. You can bake, roast, grill, smoke, braise, and barbecue anything you like. This is a good one for making grilled pizzas, which can be surprisingly good if you set it right. The smoker has a digital controller, making it incredibly easy to use. It can be set at any temperature between 180 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit and will automatically regulate the temperature to be within 20 degrees of the target temperature at all times. As grill and smoker combos go, this is the best all-rounder you can find. Let's watch more.
Hey, I'm Jim, and I'm here to talk about the next evolution in grilling. The 700E series comes fully equipped with a large 20-pound hopper, a durable stainless steel lid, and a compartment to store all your barbecue essentials. To get started, simply plug it in, fill in the hopper with the wood pellet of your choice, and set it to your desired temperature. The ultimate 7-in-1 barbecue smoker grill can bake, roast, braise, smoke, barbecue, grill, and sear your food to perfection. The 700E series is larger than most other models, and it sits on top of a larger storage unit than similar sized models. Cleaning is a breeze. The grease flows from the grill into the drip bucket, which can be reused for gravy, or you can simply dispose of it. The Z-Grill 700E is perfect for any occasion or event. Buy one today and unleash your inner grill man.
Our second best smoker grill is Daglo DGSS1382VCSD. This is a really interesting one. It takes up a bit less space than a regular grill and give you a whole lot of grilling space packed into that fairly compact package. The heavy-gauge steel body is incredibly sturdy and very difficult to accidentally damage or dent while holding in a lot of heat. The heat-resistant handle allows you to open the door without fear, even after long sessions of grilling or smoking. Contrary to first glances, this grill and smoker is quite maneuverable, being easy to tilt and balancing well on its pair of oversized wheels, which roll comfortably. The legs on the opposite side are angled perfectly to increase the wheel's traction when not in motion, locking it down perfectly when situated where you want it to be. This is a no-frills grill and smoker combo for the most part, no fancy digital options, and not even a propane or gas hookup. Just you, some wood, and an excellently designed vertical smoke chamber that produces great food in a very efficient manner. Let's watch more.
This Signature Series vertical offset charcoal smoker and grill from Daglo provides durability, performance, and versatility with up to 1,382 total square inches of cooking space. The heavy-gauge steel smoking chamber comes with pre-installed chrome-plated sausage hooks and 5 chrome-plated steel cooking grates to accommodate a variety of food types and sizes. The professional-grade temperature gauge features a smoke zone, which indicates the ideal temperatures for infusing the perfect amount of smoke flavor, while the cool touch handles allow you to safely access food or fuel during the cooking process. The offset firebox also doubles as a grill and features porcelain-coated steel cooking grates for searing and locking in natural juices. A side tray slides out to provide easy access to fuel while minimizing heat loss and can be removed for hassle-free cleanup. Enjoy taking your outdoor cooking skills to the next level with this Signature Series offset charcoal smoker and grill from Daglo.
Number 3 in our list is Royal Gourmet BBQ Grill. This smoker is small but well enough for cooking a single meal and retains heat well. The table running around the front and side of the grill is very handy for preparation. You get a solid 800 square inches of cooking space here, though that's a bit deceptive. Only 438 square inches of that is contiguous, with 179 square inches being a swing-away rack or warming rack, and 183 square inches is in the offset smoker portion. This is still a good amount of space, but less than it might appear just looking at the listed specs. The construction of the grill itself is sound enough, being made of a sturdy stainless steel with a heat-treated black coating over it, safe for up to 400 degrees. This means the grill is not particularly appropriate for searing or charring. Let's watch more.
Royal Gourmet Charcoal Grill with Offset Smoker facilitates all your grilling needs with its upgraded version. A new design bringing you a better cooking experience with side and front tables for seasonings and plates. The primary cooking surface is featured with a porcelain coating that is easy to clean. A swing-away warming rack provides a secondary cooking space. To regulate heat, set the flexible charcoal pan at a desired distance from the food. Check for temperature fluctuation with the integrated lid thermometer. The offset smoker provides Texas-style barbecue. Open the side door to easily replenish wood. Equipped with 2 wheels, the grill is easy to move around. Royal Gourmet Charcoal Grill with Offset Smoker is something you shouldn't miss for your upcoming backyard party.
Our fourth pick is Char-Griller E06614. This product have thick steel construction, has superior sturdiness to a true Kamado grill, though does not provide the same level of hyper-insulation. The airflow is excellently designed, providing just enough smoky flavor and heat without masking the actual taste of the meat and whatever spices or sauces you choose to use to enhance it. The grill and smoker is squat and sturdy, settling well on any terrain, while still being fairly easy to move despite appearances. It weighs only 37 pounds and is easy to get a nice bear hug grip around when you need to move it. Cooking surface is only 137 square inches, is the main drawback, but the quality of the food produces in this grill more than makes up for the lack of quantity it provides, so you're getting plenty of bang for your buck, especially as this little guy costs about a tenth what a real high-end Kamado-style grill and smoker would run you. Last in our list is Sunlifer Vertical Charcoal Smoker. This grill and smoker has a really interesting design, with a 3-tiered and modular construction that lets you use any or all of its pieces to do whatever you want to do. In addition to making it a great versatile grill and smoker that can be used as either a simple camp grill smoker grill or dual-tier smoker grill. The grill itself is quite good, having great airflow, good temperature control and individual doors for each tier, so you can check one without opening another if you know something definitely needs more time and don't want to lower the temperature inside. The exterior looks flimsy at a glance, but it's actually heavy-grade steel with a nice heat-resistant matte black finish. Let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!